Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 22nd August 2025. Hi, I'm Dhaneshwar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at 100.55 per DMT, down 0.61% from the previous settlement, reflecting continued bearish sentiment. Prices opened at 100.9 per DMT and traded within a narrow range of 100.35 to 100 and 1.45 per DMT, highlighting limited upward momentum. Over the past month, prices briefly surged above 104 in late July on speculative buying and hopes of stronger Chinese demand, but gains proved unsustainable as steel margins weakened and demand recovery lagged. The recent downtrend aligns with steady supply flows from major exporters and cautious restocking by Chinese mills amid weak construction activity. Market focus now remains on potential policy stimulus from China to revive steel demand, which could provide short-term support, but the overall sentiment stays fragile. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market remained downtrend today, with prices slightly dipped across major hubs. Trading activity was balanced, supported by less restocking from traders and steady but limited demand from end users. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,500 to 8,600 per ton ex barbell. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,700 to 23,800 in Raipur, showing downtrend of 200 rupees. Billet. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 37,400 to 37,500. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 38,800 to 38,900 for the grade FE500. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.